Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on U.S. Highway 11 in the state of Sweet Home, Alabama, beginning at mile marker 35 in Greene County. We'd like to thank our supporting channel members, Darren 175, Audubon 5425, Tulsa Road /Roadclahoma, Redhead, and Stuart Webb. You too can help support our channel for just $1 a month. Click on the link in the description to join. We entered the city of Eutaw, which had a population of 2,937 as of the 2020 census. The Battle of Eutaw Springs, the final conflict in the American Revolutionary War in the Carolinas, served as the inspiration for the city's name as a tribute to this historic event. Eutaw was laid out in 1838 and incorporated in 1841 as the county seat of Greene County. Eutaw emerged as a primary trading hub for the county, fostering an economy centered around the cultivation and processing of cotton, the primary commodity crop during the antebellum era. This crop proved to be highly profitable for large plantation owners who relied on the labor of enslaved African Americans to harvest it, and as a result they constructed impressive residences within the city. The town gained notoriety in 1870 for the Eutaw Riot, during which a group of Klansmen assaulted a significant gathering of discontented black Republican voters, resulting in the deaths of at least 4 individuals. The brutality of the attack induced fear among African American voters, causing them to abstain from voting and thereby tipping the elections in favor of the Democratic Party. In the aftermath of Reconstruction, Utah's economy experienced a severe downturn, with a large portion of its labor force working as sharecroppers. By the middle of the 20th century, Greene County had become one of the most impoverished counties in Alabama, and the civil rights movement led to boycotts by African American residents against local businesses. However, in 1970, Utah garnered favorable media coverage when a majority of seats on the Greene County Board of Education, based in Utah, as well as on the Utah City Council, were won by African Americans. Here we pick up a brief concurrency with Alabama State Route 14. We're now getting into the Utah downtown area, and up ahead US 11 will shift one block to the left. However, I relied on roadside signs to stay on the route instead of looking at a map, and made the turn one block early. The signs weren't wrong, I just misinterpreted them. As we rejoin US 11, we pick up a concurrency with US Highway 43 North, which runs from Pritchard, Alabama to Columbia, Tennessee. conclude today's video as we reach mile marker 48. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.